Hello everyone and welcome back.
I actually quietly to
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Ah.
With millions of hours of police bodycam and dashcam footage being recorded every day,
Get out of here right now. Get out of here right now.
sometimes cops capture moments you wouldn't believe unless it was filmed. And sometimes they unknowingly film inappropriate moments not suitable for all viewers. October 27th, 2024, an officer issued 70-year-old Lish Vu a ticket after a minor collision.
The way that your vehicle was located, I'll have to write you a ticket for improper U-turn.
Lish Vu tries to argue against the ticket, and because of the language barrier, the officer mistakes Lish Vu's argument with aggression and takes him down.
That's what you're supposed to do.
I am the
The way where your vehicle was located, your vehicle was not like that.
Sit down.
No.
You sit up. Get on the ground. No. See, sir. No. Call an ambulance. I call it now.
The officer is now on administrative leave, just like this next cop. A police chief who came to the scene of a crime drunk was trying to pull the officer away from the crime scene.
Can you tell me your first name at least?
Why do you get a jacket on that's not fit to be worn?
The officer gets progressively more annoyed until finally...
I'm on a DWI.
get over here.
I'm on a DWI. Chief, I'm working. I don't have time to argue about a jacket, okay? Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Don't you can touch me. You have a problem? Fuck. You grabbed me. What? Now get out of here before you get a problem.
Take him, man. Take him.
No, you're going to go in.
Take him.
Drunk again.
The cop was later temporarily suspended, just like this cop. Watch as the man approaches him.
Contractor.
Yes.
And you're interested in
But
that
I'm on the
building.
weekend.
Shut up and listen to me.
Yeah, I'm listening, sir.
You don't come over here at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Sir?
Stand back. Don't you walk up to me like that.
Excuse me?
You want to walk up to me like that and go to jail? Don't you ever f***ing walk up to me like that again. Sit down. Sit down on the ground. Orlando Police, you're under arrest. Sit down on the goddamn ground. Stop resisting. You understand me? Stop resisting. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Now.
This is an example of why you shouldn't be confrontational. In a similar instance, what started off as a routine traffic stop soon turned into a violent confrontation.
Hello. I'm Officer Wilby, police department. The reason why I'm stopping you is speed. 57 and a 35. Why are you getting out of the car, sir?
I don't get my driver's license.
12 radio, this male just stepped out of the vehicle. Step over here now. Have a seat on the ground. Have a seat.
I'm not sitting. I'm not sitting!
Back off. Back up.
I'm not sitting, motherfucker!
We're getting physical. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not...
I will tase you, sir. Touch the vehicle. Put your hands on the fucking vehicle now!
Luckily for the officer, bystanders come to help and the man was arrested.
What the fuck? Son of a bitch!
Radio, send me units. Roll over on your stomach now!
The officer had help, which saved her. This officer, on the other hand, had no help at all when she spots a man in a wheelchair stuck on train tracks.
1 out of 1. I'll be out with the mail stack on the tracks, trying to get him out. Go on, can you get up? Get up!
The man was saved in the nick of time, unlike 25-year-old Davon Roberts here, who in the middle of a traffic stop decides to drive off.
You're gonna kill me, bro.
Davon refuses to stop the car and the officer has to use force.
Shots fired! Shots fired! There's a kid in the car still!
Which is what happened to Andrew Jacob Pierce, who grabs a hostage leading to a standoff.
Can you step it up? He has a knife. Drop the knife and... Hey! I will tase you if you don't stop. Stop right there. Hey! He's got a hostage.
We got a hostage. Put the knife down, dude!
Put it down!
Put it down! All units be advised, channel 2 is now restricted emergency traffic only, 927.
Put it down!
The officer has no choice but to use force.
Hey. So look, this is...
The hostage survives and the suspect loses his life. This situation was out of control, but nothing compared to this standoff between the Washington State Patrol officers and a man with a grenade. Officers disable the vehicle and the suspect with the grenade exits the car and starts to run. Police subdue the man. The grenade rolls away and luckily it doesn't go off.
Did you steal anything or no?
Police were called after a store owner spotted a man with a knife in their store.
Hispanic male, black hair wrapping over his head, black and white checkered shirt.
Hey! Hey, police!
Stop!
Hey!
Stop right now or you're gonna get
Stop right
tased.
now!
You got the taser? I got, here, you wanna come this way with hands? I got...
Hey, police, get your hands up now!
I'm coming.
The man makes out like he's surrendering, but then...
Stop it!
I'm down.
Stop grabbing my hand!
Stop grabbing my hand! I'm gonna punch you in the fucking face!
Stop it!
The officers struggle to subdue the man, who then goes for one of the officers' tasers.
You in the fucking head!
The man died from his injuries, just like this young man, Timothy Michael Randall.
You got anything on you? You shouldn't keep your hands out of your pocket.
I wasn't.
Deputy Shane Iverson pulls over 29-year-old Timothy Michael Randall for a traffic violation and a physical struggle ensues when the officer tries to apply handcuffs.
Why are you? What? Can you just tell me, officer? Please, can you tell me what I'm under arrest for? Please, please.
Oh, please.
Get out.
Deputy Iverson shoots Randall under the arm and the bullet exits his chest cavity, destroying his heart. Randall's mother, Wendy Tippett, filed a federal lawsuit. Trooper Jesse Gregory pulled over a vehicle in Interstate 40 when suddenly... all individuals involved were unharmed, but the same doesn't go for the victims in this next clip. This officer was on the scene of an incident when suddenly Georgia State Patrol confirmed a 21-year-old woman from Tallahassee, Florida was behind the wheel of the car. She survived, but with serious injuries. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new around here and click the video on screen now for more police content. Goodbye.